Hello. Mr. Royans here, coming at you with some more math. Today is math lesson 4, and today we're going to look at writing our numbers in the proper place value spot, writing them in standard form and expanded form. If you will refer to the document I shared with you about early last week, I gave you a math vocabulary list. Now, you should have read it, you should have studied it and memorized it and know it line by line, word for word. And you should know that expanded form is when you write each place value plus the other. We're going to start off, we're going to look at 1,708. Now we're going to write it on our place value chart. Where on the place value chart do I put my 1? In what slot, what category? Thousands, right? There's 1,000. Where does my 7 go? Hundreds. 700. Oh, I know we talked about this last lesson. What goes here? How do I write? I just put a 0, right? In my 10th spot. And what's in my 1 spot? 8. 8. I can make that 8. So we have 1,708. Now we're going to practice writing that in expanded form. So near the bottom of our place value chart, I'm actually going to take a little bit off here, a little bit off the bottom. And I'm going to write this in expanded form. So I have 1,000, so I'm going to write 1,000 plus sign 700. I'm not just writing the number 7. I'm writing 700 plus what? Big fat 0, right? Plus 0 plus 8 equals 1,000 plus 700 plus 0 plus 8 equals 1,000, 1,708. 1,708 expanded form. Now we're going to look at a number expanding up into the 10,000s. Okay, we're continuing our discussion about writing numbers in expanded form. What is expanded form again? Yes, you in the back? Very good. It's when we're adding up all the place values, where we write it based on just the place value number. So, here, you can see I have written down, say it with me, 27,085. We're going to transcribe it. We're going to write it onto our place value chart based on that. Where does this 2 go? Is that 2 thousands? Or is that 2 10,000s? We'll say the number out loud again, 27,000. So we're in the 10,000s. We have 2 10,000s. How many thousands do I have? 7. I hope somebody said 0 as I was tapping on that. Nothing. If there's nothing there, you're just putting a 0. That's all. Where does this 8 go? 27,085. It's in my 10s. 8. I can make that 8. And 5. 5 in the 1s. So 27,085. Written in our place value chart. We have 2 in the 10,000s. 7 in the thousands, 0 in the hundreds, 8 in the tens, 5 in the ones. Now we're going to write it in expanded form, just like we did with the last number, but now this time we have a 5th number, a number in the 10,000 spot. Same concept though, guys. We're writing 20,000, 20, 000 plus 7,000 plus 0. Anything plus 0 always equals itself. So you can put plus 0 plus 80, because it's in the 10th spot, plus 5. 20,000 plus 7,000 is 27,000. 27,000 plus 80 would be 27,080. 27,080 plus 5 would equal 27,085. Whoa. Now we're going to continue this lesson. We're going to look at writing numbers going from word form to expanded form, and from expanded form to word form and standard form. Or from expanded form to word form and standard form. I want you guys to say this number with me. 270,850. 270,850. Written in word form. We are going to look at transcribing word form into standard form and expanded form. Oh, here it is. So, what we need to do, everything you read, everything you say, you write down. So we said 270,850. How many place value spots over am I on the chart? Am I just in thousands? No. Am I in 10,000s? No. Read it. 270,000. 200, there's the word 100 there and 1,000. So you know, based on those word clues, that you are up here. You're writing a 2 in the 100,000 spot. 270,000. 70. So how many 10,000s are there? If I have a normal 70, all the way back in the tens, that would be 7 tens. So it's going to be 7 10,000s, or I'll write a 7 there. But how many are in the one spot? They're just the 1,000 spot. 270,000. Well, if I write 70, normally, there's just going to be 7 zeros, so it'll be 7 0. What's in our 100 spot? 850. Now here's where they're trying to trip you up, guys. Pay attention. 50. How do I write 50? I write 50, 5, 0. So we're going to look at it now by writing the expanded form, 200,000. So you're going to write 2, 0, 0, comma, 0, 0, 0, plus 7 10,000s, that's 70,000, plus, how many thousands? Plus 800, plus 5, or is it 5? So it's 50. Call myself there. Plus 0. And then we're going to write that number as. Sorry, I get used to making sound effects with my daughter. I'll be like, and then she'll mimic me, and I keep doing it because I think it's funny. All right, and we're going to add these numbers up. We're going to write 200,000 plus 70,000 plus 0. Well, that's going to be 270,000 plus 800 plus 50 plus 0. Well, what's 800 plus 50? 850. 270,000, 850. That's what we had written up there before. It's not a super difficult concept, guys. The hardest part is realizing where to break it apart to add it up by the place value. Okay? You're just adding up, you're breaking it up and then adding up 200,000 plus 70,000. 0, 800, 50, nothing there. We have one more piece of this lesson. Alright guys, this is the last part of lesson 4 for us, and we are going to be converting expanded form into standard form and word form. Okay, I have taken away the place value chart for this because I want to see if you, the viewer, can do it yourself. So I want you to get a piece of paper or something and follow along, or get a notes app or something open where you can kind of do it along with me. So first, 700,000 plus 8,000 plus 500 plus 70 plus 3. If I was to write 78,573, I told you guys I was terrible to write fives. Is that right? How do I say this number? 78,573. 700,000. Oh! Woof! I gotta start over here, huh? So, 700,000. So I know there's gonna be 3 numbers on either side of the comma. 700,000 plus, ooh, there's nothing in the 10,000 spot here, there's 8,000. So there's no 10,000s, so I put a, in my thousand spot, I'll have an 8, comma, because there's 3 numbers, comma, plus 500 plus 70 plus 3. 7, what's 70 plus 3? 73. 708,573. Now, we're going to write this bad boy in word form. So much writing, Mr. Royans, jeez. Okay. You're going to write 7, and what spot is it in? 700. I guess I could do proper grammar. 700, 8,000, and to write the word form, it may actually be easier for you to look up here. Go 700, 8,573. Make sure you put a comma though. 700, 8,500. 70. Oh, running out of room. 3. And you will be graded on spelling, capitalization, and punctuation for math. I'm just kidding. I wouldn't be that harsh on you. But really, what I want to see when I see something like this, if you misspell 7 or 100, that's okay, as long as I know you're trying to spell, do the proper word form, and write 700, 8,573. Okay? Check out the assignment that I've attached. It's a lot of doing the same stuff, guys. Any questions, please email me. Thumbs up, soldier.